Today we're gonna learn how to chop some garlic. Well, I'm not actually chopping. I'm using my garlic press, which is one of the best tools that I have in my kitchen, which helps me make most of my recipes. It is awesome. So I like to, a friend of mine had told me back in the day that it is very important to let your garlic breathe before you use them. So, for all the beneficial agents. Alright, so we're gonna just peel your garlic. Here's a little bit. When you peel your garlics, you can take your knife or anything hard. It could be a bowl, it could be a glass, and you want to press on it a little bit so the skin is loosened. So you're not there trying to take it out for hours. At the beginning, I didn't do that, and it used to take me a long time to peel garlic. There you go. All right. Done. Now we're gonna press it. So I, press one garlic at a time, because, and then you just scrape off. And keep on doing the same thing. I mean, you can keep the peel inside. I'm just removing it, so it's usually do so every 2 to 3 garlic. Then it's just this like skin. There you go, and more. This is mincing, your mincing garlic. You want to chop, more chopped or slice, use your knife. Slice them up and then just chop, chop, chop. And that's it, there you have it. There's your garlic.